Mastering Yoga, tackling the toughest poses for newbies. Welcome to the journey where challenge meets grace. Today, we're exploring yoga poses that test limits and inspire growth. First up, the crow pose. Balancing on your hands, it requires core strength, focus, and courage to take flight. Next, the firefly pose stretches your limits. It's not just a test of flexibility but also a testament to patience. The headstand, an inversion where the world turns upside down, demands balance and a fearless heart. Ready to see a new perspective? Meet the king pigeon pose, a beautiful blend of strength and flexibility. It's a pose that teaches resilience and opens hearts. The peacock pose, where your body mimics the majestic bird. It's an ultimate test of arm strength and determination. Embrace these challenges with a beginner's mind. Remember, it's not about perfection but progress. Let's embark on this transformative journey together.